In this video, I'll show you how to set up the free Mozilla Thunderbird email client with your Gmail or Google Apps account. So you may choose to use a desktop application for mail if you do a lot of travel or you don't always have access to the web. This way you can use Thunderbird to respond to messages, store messages, read messages. And when you get back online, you can sync up your mail client with your online account. So you can use Thunderbird all the time with your Gmail account or just sometimes. So to set up Thunderbird with your Gmail account, the first thing you have to do is go into your Gmail account, go to your mail settings. In the forwarding and pop IMAP tab, make sure that IMAP is enabled. If you don't enable IMAP, you cannot access Gmail from another client. So make sure IMAP is enabled, click Save Changes. Then we'll go back into Thunderbird. From the Tools menu, I'll choose Account Settings. I'm going to add a new email account. In Account Actions, I'll choose Add Mail Account. And I should have mentioned you can download Thunderbird for free from the Mozilla website. So I'll put in my Gmail address and password. Then I'll select Continue. Thunderbird will look up the configuration settings and it looks like it has found them. So for IMAP, the settings are imap.googlemail.com. The security is SSL. For the outgoing mail server, it's the one listed here, and here is my username. If for some reason this information was not correct, I can select manual config and I can make changes. So if you know for some reason that you're using a different IMAP server or a different port, you can make those changes here. So I'll go ahead and click Create Account. I can add some additional information here like the reply to address, organization. I could add my signature. I'll go ahead and click OK. Now I'll click Get Mail and I'll get the messages from my Gmail inbox. So here we go. Here are my messages. Now notice with IMAP, if I do something here like deleting a message, so I'm going to delete this message. When I go back into my inbox online and I refresh it, it will be updated. So it shows that that message has been deleted. Additionally, I can sync my labels. So I'm going to apply the personal label to this message. Let's give it a color so it stands out. And I'll apply the travel label to this message. And now when I go back into Mozilla and I sync everything up, when I click in the personal folder, it syncs with that personal label. So whatever's in the personal label will be synced with the personal folder in Thunderbird. Messages that I've marked to archive. So if I archive a message like this travel message, that archived message, when everything is synced up, will appear in the All Mail folder. You can use Thunderbird with multiple Gmail accounts at once. So if you have multiple email addresses, you can use it to manage multiple accounts. Remember, if you make any changes to your password to Gmail, you'll need to go into Thunderbird and make those changes there as well.